I just want all the girls to take their initiative. If they don't have toilets at home, they should take initiative. They should raise their voice that they would not go out.
I had one more question. Any message for Kejriwal?
Okay, message for Kejriwal is please try and understand the problem of each and everyone and come to Southex. Look, remove your gamcha, do work please.
हाय फ्रेंड, दिस इज साकेत फ्रॉम नॉइसी गिग और अब मेरे फेवरेट सुपरस्टार अक्षय कुमार की मूवी आ रही है। इस मूवी का नाम है क्या? टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा। तो आज हम निकल पड़े हैं दिल्ली की सड़कों पे लेडीज़ से, जो हमारी वुमेन्स हैं दिल्ली की, उनसे ट्रेलर का रिएक्शन लेने के लिए और उनसे 3 क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए। तो यार देखो, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगती है तो लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो।
हाँ भाभी, चलो 4:15 हो गए, सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं लोटा पार्टी में तुम्हारी वेलकम का।
ससुराल में खाने को ना दे रहे सारी लाज शर्म छोड़ कर लग जाओ काम पे।
एक सोच के लिए इतना गुस्सा?
अगर पहले पता होता तो शादी ना करती।
उन्होंने तो मेरी किस्मत गुसलखाने में बैठ के लिखी होगी
और ऊपर से प्लस और कर दिया।
तो बनवा दो ना शौचालय घर में भी। जिस आंगन में तुलसी लगाते हैं वहाँ शौच करना शुरू कर दें।
अपनी औरत का सबके सामने प्रदर्शन करना धर्म है या खुले में हरले में मोक्ष होती है?
मर्द तो घर के पीछे बैठ जाते हैं, पर हम तो औरतें हैं, हमें तो हर चीज के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी।
अब बीवी वापस आए ना आए, संडास तो लाके छोड़ूंगा इस गांव में। राधे राधे। बीवी पास चाहिए तो घर में संडास चाहिए। ये जो आप गरीबों का पैसा खाते हैं उसे निकालते कहाँ हैं?
If you change nothing, nothing will change.
आशिकों ने तो आशिकी के लिए ताजमहल बना दिया, साला हम एक संडास न बना सके।
Ma'am, how was the trailer?
I think it's a good trailer.
It was very nice.
Trailer was very interesting, very good, and I believe it's like a very important issue they've taken.
So ma'am, any message for Akshay Kumar that he has taken a great initiative?
I like Akshay Kumar a lot, and I think he's taken a very important issue, and it's really good to see him in this movie.
Good luck. I think you guys have made a good film. I think at least the topic in itself sounds really intriguing, and I hope that apart from entertainment, people take home a lot of lessons from it as well. Yeah, he's doing a great job. I think these kinds of messages should be it should be viewed by each and everyone, all the peoples and all the men who think that washrooms are not as compulsory as it seems.
Okay, now I'm just going to ask you 3 questions.
Yeah,
that is,
sure.
Related to the toilets and the problem faced by girls in India. Okay, so the first one is like, why we have more mobile phones, TVs in India but lack of toilets?
So at the outset, I'd like to say that I don't actually know about the statistics. I'm not aware of how many, but I'm assuming from what you have said that you have the statistics in mind. So having clarified that, I think there is a mindset issue.
Okay.
I don't know why it is that people think toilets are not necessary, because defecation is a human trait. Everyone does it. Everyone needs to do it. Everyone is going to get up in the morning and take a dump, regardless of who you are, regardless of where you are. So I think the larger issue is to do with a mindset regarding the construction of the toilet itself. I don't know why it exists, but I do feel like it is problematic and it needs to be fixed. So if initiatives are being taken about it, and if people are writing about it and people are talking about it, and there's a film that is being made about it, I'm hoping that there will be greater acceptance, and I feel like more than you and me over here, it is down in the roots where there are people who do not have access to toilets, and there are people who have the money but are not building the toilets that need to realize it. Because
according to the current data, more people are staying in the urban areas except the rural areas. And if you are staying in urban area, the main need, not even the house, not even the food, it's mobile phone. So each and everyone, because of the problem of the connectivity, they are having mobile phones, not toilets there.
Okay.
So that's why.
Okay, so do you really think like the DTS services and mobile phone is the more requirement as comparatively with the toilets and all?
So each and everything has its own importance in own terms, but when you are staying in rural area, it might phone may be required, but toilets are one of the major things that each and everyone should have in their houses.
I think it's because men here in India, they are like the head of their families, and for them being anywhere is like very easy.
Agreed.
And that's why I think they don't give any importance to toilets at home.
Okay.
That is the main reason, I believe.
The next one is like the accessibility of toilets in India is a big issue for females, but not for males. Why is like that?
Again, I don't know the statistics.
Okay.
I am privileged. I have no qualms in admitting that I come from probably a more entitled background wherein I have had the facilities. So I can't speak from personal experience of what a woman may face when she has to go to the washroom. Definitely, the problem of defecating would be greater for women, given the greater shame attached to a woman even indulging in a simple act as wanting to pee. I don't know whether in villages wherein people don't have access to toilets, the problem is greater for women or not. I feel like the accessibility of toilets itself is a problem that is equal for both males and females. It's just that the taboo associated with a woman wanting to defecate is probably greater. And that is to do again with the mindset. And the mindset of both females as well as males, not just males. It's not just males who think that खुले में शौच कैसे कर रही है औरत. It is also the women who think मुझे अपनी लाज छुपा के करने की जरूरत है.
Actually, I was going through an article and it was written over there that a woman has to wake up early around 4 o'clock for the field toilet in railway, but a man can go around. And as far as we have seen in the trailer, that the lady has said कि आप तो आदमी हो, आप तो घर के पीछे ही बैठ सकते हो, but we are the women, we will have to go far and we have to suffer.
Okay, let me just separate two things first. I don't think that this should be the case, but it is the case, right? So the dialogue that she says कि आप आदमी हैं, आप खुले में शौच कर लेंगे, मुझे दूर जाना पड़ेगा. Problem दोनों को है, degree अलग है. Males also are suffering without accessibility to toilets. They are also defecating in the open. Women are also doing it. It's just that given the additional problems that women face, the degree to which they're facing the problem of lack of accessibility is higher. I feel both face problems.
Yeah, obviously, because in our country, it's like men can go for pee or loo anywhere. They don't even feel shame. And not in the case of girls, we cannot just go, stand there and we cannot pee. So that's why it's more important for girls rather than boys.
It's a big issue, I think, because they don't have any male. They don't have any kind of security problem, and even if they have to go out, they have to go out far. There is no one, they don't have to fear of getting raped and all that. Whereas for girls and all, it's if you see the safety point of view, from safety point of view, it's like very this thing, what you can call, it's actually very risky and unnecessary. They have to actually look for a certain time, a particular time, and they have to go, and which is actually very difficult to follow.
I was reading an article on they have to wake up and
but I think it's the women, they have to take initiative. Unless and until women take an initiative, they feel that it is like important for them, and they raise their voice, no one can help them. So it is the duty of all the women, girls, to actually raise their voice and to tell their family members that they are not going to go anywhere else other than toilets which are built inside their houses.
I want this to repeat again on the camera. And for all our viewers, for all the girls in India who are just looking or who are just watching our videos, this is just a very important message for you. Please repeat it again.
I just want all the girls to take their initiative. If they don't have toilets at home, they should take initiative. They should raise their voice that they would not go out and pee open, whereas they should make it a point to talk to their family members and get the toilets built within their space where they are living.
Kejriwal has claimed that claims about the 100 of toilets in Delhi. So have you seen any new construction of toilets in Delhi or in your area?
I wish our CM Mr. Kejriwal, he should be a rickshawala.
Okay.
He should not be in the position what he is. Right now where I'm staying, that is the worst place. It's like Southex all the time. Even there is no rain, the water logging is there. So even I am suffering from it. So I think he should not be in that position. And if you ask him about toilet, he didn't even do a single job, I think. So he should not be in that position. I wish I could get him so I can take away in that position and my home says, see this what you have done.
Again, entitled background. I come from a privileged place. I can't speak of seeing a new toilet, but I have seen a number of public toilets in Delhi. I don't know statistics wise if there has been any increase. I don't know whether he's actually worked upon the promises, but I hope that he does, because the problem of lack of accessibility is still prevalent not just in the villages but also in our country. The fact that we have people defecating in public, males more than females or females as well, in itself speaks volumes about the necessity. But more than that, I feel it's not important to just have toilets built. It's also important to educate people that use them.
Yeah, the first thing is that at least you must know what.
Not about right or wrong, what is necessary and what you need to work towards. Simple as that. So yeah.
Actually, I was living in Delhi a long time back. During that time, I did not see many toilets around. But yeah, in comparison to that time and now, I've seen many new toilets, but not so many we don't find toilets very close, or we can just go and walk in and use it. It is not that simple.
Okay. Now I just want to add one more question. Any message for Kejriwal?
Okay, message for Kejriwal is please try and understand the problem of each and everyone and come to Southex. Look, remove your gamcha, do work please.
Thanks a lot.